Good morning. Daniel Digital Registry, Legal Transparency Record. For everyone at home, please understand what I'm about to read is a legal filing, and I want to quickly apologize. I've gone through a lot of stresses in the last month in order to lose weight, in order to cut weight, to be at a proper balance of my health.
Okay.
Unfortunately, it'll take a couple of days for full recovery. My name is Daniel M. Risis. Today is April 1st. This is my sworn affidavit regarding case number 24-22-174. I am
714.
714. Ah, that's the dyslexia.
Test.
Oh man, yeah.
Keep going.
I am documenting this in real time as a first-of-a-kind digital recording of any legal proceedings. This video is part of Daniel's Digital Registry?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Daniel's Digital Registry. A transparent record for the public courts and history. So, just really quickly, we are making history right now on YouTube. Anyone who doesn't understand this, they could look at the numbers. Nobody watches this channel. In reality, we've had millions of views. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Today marks a critical turning point in both my personal legal battle and a broader fight for justice in the state of New Jersey. I'm filing 6 major motions that strike at the core of the corruption, suppression, and civil rights violations I have endured, many of which were facilitated or ignored by members of the judiciary, political, and police networks, and bad actors operating under color of law. Each of these motions represents not just a legal demand, but a moral imperative. 1. Motion to remove Judge Esther Salas. This motion seeks the immediate disqualification of the Honorable Esther Salas based on her demonstrated bias, political entanglement, and repeated violations of due process. I gotta pause this and explain to everyone at home that there's a mountain of evidence that gets submitted with this that is supportive, that I physically can't present the evidence on YouTube. It's too much, it is extremely redundant, and it's counterproductive to the clarity of the actual legal process that we're documenting. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. And she's the most important part of this. Now, me, I'm just the idiot. We will continue. Her judicial conduct has shown, okay, and this is a fight for constitutional right.
Oh, you were right. Her judicial.
Her judicial conduct has shown prejudice so egregious that continued oversight of my cases by her would destroy any public trust in a fair trial. This is a fight for constitutional rights to an impartial jury. I intend to see it through. This is well written. Response to Tim Duggan. Tim Duggan of Sklar & Sklar, acting as an attorney for adverse parties, has made filings and representations that are legally, yeah, I really do. You do it much
Tim
better.
Duggan, acting as an attorney for adverse parties, has made filings and representations that are legally and factually
Wait, Jamie, swear yourself
inaccurate.
in. You gotta swear yourself in.
I, Jamie Resnick, swear this affidavit is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Factually inaccurate, manipulative, and potentially sanctionable. Today, Daniel Risis files a formal response that not only rebuts his mischaracterizations, but places on the record clear evidence
Slow down.
of litigation misconduct, abusive discovery tactics, and improper legal strategy designed to exhaust and harass Daniel Risis.
Awesome.
I'm putting this court, well, I speak on behalf of you, and the public on notice that these games stop now. Do you want to do any background on that, or just?
No, I believe you're doing a really good job.
Okay. Number 3, motion to disclose settlement agreement in Lustig v. Risis. The so-called, quote, class action case Lustig v. Risis has long been used as a weapon against me, despite the fact that the class is not valid, the claims are fraudulent, and key witnesses have confessed that the case is built on lies and coercion. Today, I will file a motion to unseal and disclose the settlement agreement and related communications. The public and the court deserve to know who was paid, by whom, and why. This is not just a discovery motion. This is a motion for the truth.
Okay, I would add something.
Sure.
In this case, I am saddled with a $2.8 million liability based on approximately $50,000 of missed payroll by a company that I was defrauded by. I was a managing director of my mother's chain of pawn shops. The employees know that I have a lot more assets than my mother or anyone else combined. So the law firm that Brett Galloway represents has taken a $50,000 to $100,000 class action labor dispute and converted it into $2.8 million of attorney fees that I'm saddled with, just so everyone understands. Not only did I not own the company, I will present the non-disclosure agreements that all the employees violated by doing what they did and working at other pawn shops, which I currently do right now.
Correct.
Excellent, keep going.
Number 4, motion to restore tenant rights at Dalex, in Dalex. BUPM-NJ has systematically denied me my rights, including access to basic repairs, truthful ownership disclosures, and lawful lease renewals. Many of these violations occurred under illegal receiverships and fabricated authority from court officers with no standing. Today, I demand immediate court intervention to restore tenant rights, roll back unlawful evictions, and expose the real estate fraud operating behind the scenes.
Well said.
Number 6, motion to restore tenant rights and property access at 340 Fleming Drive, cash cow storage.
That one's really important.
Despite my lawful status as tenant and operator of cash cow storage at 340 Fleming Drive, I was forcibly and unlawfully locked out of the property, harassed and denied all access to my business operations, causing catastrophic financial harm and disruption to dozens of tenants, including myself.
And over $10 million, which current values are more closer to 12 to 13
Of
million.
theft.
Of direct theft that I was arrested while I was trying to stop.
Which I stated
Keep
as
going.
well in the most. The most egregious violation
stated.
occurred when I was illegally arrested on that very property. I was exercising my legal rights of possession and access when law enforcement, acting without cause, detained and removed me. The officers involved in this arrest violated my civil rights, used excessive force, and engaged in conduct that clearly exceeded their legal authority. The entire event was caught on video, providing clear and irrefutable evidence of the misconduct.
Man, I love video.
That video now forms a cornerstone of my legal case currently being fought in Judge Shamey's courtroom, where I intend to hold all parties accountable. The 6th motion is your reorganization plan. I'm filing a formal reorganization plan. This is not just a financial roadmap, it is a blueprint for renewal. It details the recovery of wrongfully taken assets, the consolidation of debt obligations, and the restoration of corporate and personal solvency through strategic restructuring, transparency, and lawful economic action. This plan will work. It is grounded in truth, driven by data, executed with precision, and financial backing. Those are your 6 motions that you're.
That's a really, really great job that we did.
Yeah.
I think that we need to wrap it up for today. Always remember, we are parents, and that is our job number 1. What I have is a video that I will post of right now. We'll do all the titles and finish everything
So
up.
we have 18 videos that we need
Awesome.
to post.
But the most important one.
But this one will get posted first.
Right, and we need to post for tomorrow's court date the
Yes.
video of me being arrested on my own property. For everyone at home that doesn't know, I've been arrested not once, not twice, but 3 times on my own property. 2 have already been dismissed, and I have full claims against unlawful arrest, which I will exercise when the completion of my arc is at an end. Are you okay?
Yeah.
How much time do we have in this video?
10 minutes left.
I know. All right. What's that? All right. You know what? I just want to say thank you to everyone at home for supporting me. I assure you in the next 72 hours I will recover from a very stressful March, and I apologize for anyone who might misunderstand the amount of work and dedication it really takes to win.